everyone. It is Grandma Moose here today with my pal Marty the Moose. And today we're just going to give you a little introduction to quilting and some of the tools that you might need when you start quilting. One of the first things you're going to need, of course, is a ruler because we are going to cut. I do like these creative grids ones that I have here. They've got nice little, as you're looking at them, they little dots on the back. They keep it from sliding on the fabric. These will be available in the comments below if you just look, and they're creative grids. These are 8.5 by 24 inches. I like the 8.5 instead of 6 because sometimes you just need a 7-inch strip. So the 8.5 by 24-inch grid is the one I like best. We also have some smaller ones. If we're going to cut smaller pieces of fabric, we don't necessarily need the whole piece. There's all kinds of little rulers you can get. And as you can see, to cut, we need a rotary cutter. These are also known as sort of pizza cutters, but they're very, very sharp. So be very, very careful. And I'm just going to show you why we use these. It makes everything that we cut so quick and easy. You measure it out and you go like that, and you have your pieces cut just as easy as can be. So we use rotary cutters. These are very good to get. This is a 60mm one. A lot of people like this a little smaller one, 45mm. I like the larger one because I'm a lot of times cutting through more than just 2 layers of fabric. We have all of those here in the shop. You can order them online. The link is in the comments below. Once you've used one of these quite a while, you are going to need refill blades. We also have these available in the multiple sizes, the 60mm and the 45mm. There's a link in the comments below where you can order these in multiple sizes. Of course, you're going to need needles for your sewing machine. This is a very basic sewing machine that I have here. That's all you really need. It will do a straight stitch. It actually has a lot of stitches on it, but you don't need a fancy machine to start quilting. A straight stitch is all you need. You're going to need needles. I recommend to start with these Schmetz chrome needles. They're heavy duty, and these are the 80-12 ones. These also you can look in the comments below, and there will be a link that you can order these. These are the size we do most all of our quilting with is the 80-12, and I like the Schmetz chrome ones. You can't really quilt if you don't have pins, so you need pins to hold it together. These are clover ones. These are a little bit thicker. I have them taped shut. These are a little bit thicker and heavier duty. These pins come in all different sizes, and those you will develop a preference for. I use these for heavier fabrics. There's some really light ones. If I'm doing paper piecing, like that's in the quilt behind me, that I use a really light one. And there's all different kinds. So that will be a preference thing that you will learn as you get to sewing. But to get started, you're going to need fabric. You are going to need a rotary cutter to cut the fabric, and you are going to need rulers to measure correctly. And in order to cut them, you are going to need one of these nice cutting mats. I recommend this size of cutting mat. This is a 24 by 36. A lot of people start with the 18 by 24 and they go to this one almost immediately because they most of your fabric doesn't really fit well on an 18 by 24. So I recommend starting with the 24 by 36. You will be much happier. These wear and wear and wear and wear. This one's almost worn out, but they will go a long time. So don't worry about having to replace them every couple months because these last a long time in the shop and we cut a lot of fabric. But these are the ones I recommend if you'd like to get started and get some of your items. And we will be doing then some beginning quilting classes that you will be able to watch and use these tools that you're getting. That's it for the introduction. And we'll see you in our Welcome to Quilting class.